I'm D from GameXTC, and let's see if this little trick helps you get a display on your PS2.
Now, before we jump into the video, please subscribe to our channel and feel free to check us out on eBay at GameXTC. You'll get valuable information on leveling up your video game hardware and software.
Although it shouldn't make a difference, I found this method only to work when using the HDMI adapter for the PS1 and PS2. The link's in the description. When using this adapter, you want to make sure that both ends are connected to your PS2. One goes into the USB socket, whilst the other goes into the AV output. And make sure it's connected to the TV. You don't want to make that mistake. And please, make sure there's no disk in the disk drive, because if there is, then this isn't going to work. Now that's been ironed out, let's fire up the console. Make sure your analog controller has power. You can test this by just clicking the analog button, and it's up to you. You can leave it on or you can switch it off. Then you want to press down, X, down, 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 X, left, X. And it's as simple as that. Make sure you leave at least a second gap before each command. It's better to do it slow rather than fast, so that your PS2 registers the buttons that you're pressing. Hopefully this worked for you, and if it didn't, then I'm afraid you're going to have to do a deep dive. If you do have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll reply. Now what really happens when you're pressing these buttons is that you're going into the system configuration, and then you're scrolling down to component video out, and you're changing it to YCB, PB, CR, PR. And that's it.